Hello there, this is the intern, and today let's talk about 7 new AI tools that you need to see. Okay, so first up is SoundRock. Now, SoundRock is a music creation tool that lets you create your own music copyright free for your use. I mean, you can use it anywhere you want. You put in the genre you want, you put in the mood, the length, even the instruments, and it is gonna give you all the music you want. So there is no copyright involved in these music, and these feel amazing. Listen to this. You can even change the backing, the melody, the bass of the music as you want. Now here's a cool trick you can do. You can completely cancel out the melody of the music so that you only get the beats. This helps you get a good music for presentations or my YouTube videos. At number 2, we have Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is a text to image AI that uses the prompts you give as a base to create the images you want. Now, the prompts you give can be positive prompts and negative prompts. Now, Midjourney uses Discord to host their application. You can find a lot of different AI that do the same job as Midjourney, like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E or DALL-E 2. Now, the coolest thing about Midjourney is its ability to actually create creative art. A lot of people around the world is using it to create website design, logo design, t-shirt designs, and anything that requires creativity. Like, this is game changing. And this also gives rise to another kind of skill which is known as prompt engineering, about which I would be talking in the next video. Moving on, at number 3 we have AI photo enhancers. Now there are a lot of AI photo enhancers you will find on the internet. This one I use is bigjpg.com. So this is pretty simple. You simply upload the image you want to enlarge, specify the magnification you want with the noise reduction, and it will do the job for you in cloud. So what this would basically do is enlarge the dimensions of your image without it using details. Now that's pretty groundbreaking. You can enlarge the dimensions of especially AI generated art, because AI generated art generally do not have a big image size. Using this with Midjourney is going to generate you tons of copyright free artwork ready to be published. Now let's say you have a crappy mic like the one I'm using. You can use something like Adobe Podcast. Now Adobe Podcast is still a beta version. It's a background noise reducer which removes background noise just like this.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
So this becomes this.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio.
Now I've been using Adobe Podcast, but the results are not so good yet. You have to remember that Adobe Podcast and a lot of other AIs are still a work in progress. So they're not fine-tuned yet, but in the next few years, these AIs will do amazing jobs. Now the next one is not actually an AI, but it is a feature in Adobe Premiere Pro after 2022, which allowed users to create subtitles for their videos. I'll show you how. You need to hit Window, Text, Transcribe Sequence to start the transcription process. Now after the transcription ends, you can recheck the words that has been transcribed automatically by Premiere Pro. Now it's not perfect. Yet again, AI is still a work in progress, so it's not perfect. But you can change, you can manipulate the words and add it as a text layer onto your videos. At number 6, we have Magic Studio's Magic Eraser tool. The Magic Eraser tool is pretty simple. It's very much like Photoshop, but you don't have to go through the hassle of lassoing and outlining your subject. Magic Eraser tool allows you to mask the object you want to filter out from your image and hit erase. It will do the job pretty good. I've been using Magic Eraser tool for quite a while now, and I must say it's very astonishing. At number 7, we have Toom. Now, Toom is pretty similar to ChatGPT, but it can also generate images and text. Toom is basically a presentation maker. You give it the topic, the subject of the presentation, and it will completely build a presentation from scratch for you. It can generate images and texts on the go for you. Now, this saves a lot of time and hassle you would have to endure if you had to create a presentation from scratch all by yourself. Also, it is a pretty damn good presentation maker in case you forgot making the presentation you were assigned. Now, as a bonus, I'm giving you these lists. So, you just finished recording your own podcast and now you feel like changing a word. This would make you re-recording the specific sentence and editing it in place. But now, let AI do the magic for you. Descript has an overdub feature where you can change your own transcription and voice without you having to record again. Let me show you how. Hello there, this is the intern, and in today's video we will be talking about AI generated media and prompt engineering. After recording, Descript is gonna give me the entire transcription of the voice I just recorded. Now let's say I want to change the word media and replace it by art. What I'm gonna do is replace the word in the transcription and hit the overdub feature. I forgot to mention that before using this overdub feature, you must record at least 10 minutes of your own voice to train the model for yourself. So after this overdub is completed, this is what I get. Hello there, this is the intern, and in today's video we will be talking about AI generated art and prompt engineering. So that's gonna be it. These were 7 AI tools. Well, actually 8. You had to see. Well, I'm stressing on the fact that these AI tools are still a work in progress. These AI tools are not perfect but will be in the next few years. Anyways, I'll put the links down below in the description to these AI tools so you can check them out yourself. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.